Good morning, dear children. I am Mrs. Sindhu Abhilash, your GK teacher of class 6. This is your book, and today we are going to start our first chapter, that is Know Your Country. Let me tell you some interesting facts about our country. India is located in South Asia. India is the seventh largest country in the world. It is the second most populous country and the most populous democracy in the world. As you all know that New Delhi is the capital of India, but the largest city is Mumbai. Hindi is the official language in India, with English as an additional official language. The highest mountain in India is the Kanchenjunga. The Thar Desert is a large region in the northwest of the country and forms a natural border between India and Pakistan. India borders 7 countries, that is Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Let's start our lesson today. Here are some questions and clues are given below. You have to answer this question and know more about your country. First question is like that. What is the other name of Kanyakumari? Answer is Cape Comorin. Second question. Bharti is the name given to India's Dash Research Camp station at Antarctica. Answer is Third Research Camp. Okay. Third question. Where is Golconda Fort located? It is in Telangana. Answer is Telangana. Fourth one. Name the beach near Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. You have to name a beach which is near Thiruvananthapuram but in Kerala. The name of the beach is Kovalam Beach. Fifth, in which state is the hill station Uttakamund located? You have to name the state which is a hill station located in Uttakamund, that is Tamil Nadu. Where was the first HMT factory established? That is in Bengaluru. Seventh question. Which city in Rajasthan is known as the Lake City? Answer is Udaipur. Eighth one. How many hours in India ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time? That is 5.5 hours. Ninth one. How many states and union territories are there in India? 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay. Last and 10th question is, where are the famous Ellora caves in India? Where are the famous Ajanta and Ellora caves in India? That is in, answer is Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Okay, children. This is your first chapter which I have completed. Answer also I have written. You can write down in your book itself. You don't have to make any special copy for GK. In book itself you write the answer. Now the next chapter also I am teaching you. The next chapter, there are some important towns and cities. Names has been given in the question and you have to name the main rivers that flow through them. Okay, children. Here you can see on the left side some names of the towns or cities has been given and you have to name the river which flow through these towns. Okay, clues are also given below in the clue box. So first question is Agra. From Agra, which river is flowing through them? That is Yamuna. Second question, Ayodhya. The answer is Sarayu. Third, that is Cuttack. Answer is Mahanadi. Fourth, Hyderabad. From Hyderabad, Musi River is flowing from Hyderabad. Okay. Fifth is Kolkata. From Kolkata, Hooghly River is flowing. Okay. Sixth is Lucknow. Lucknow. Which river you can see in the clue box if you don't understand my writing. That is Gomti River from Lucknow. Seventh, Madurai. From Madurai, Vaigai River is flowing through that town. Eighth is Nasik. From Nasik, Godavari is flowing. Okay. Ninth, Patna. From Patna, Ganga River is flowing. Okay. 10th one, Srinagar. Srinagar. Answer is Jhelum. Jhelum. Okay. 11th, Surat. Answer is Tapti. 12th one, Tirchi. That is Kauveri. 13th, Tirunelveli. From there, the river is flowing is Tamira-Barani. Tamira-Barani. You can see in the clue box, it is written clearly, Tamira-Barani. Okay. 14th one, from Vijayawada, Krishna River is flowing. 15th, Jabalpur. From there, Narmada is flowing. Okay, children. So, in the second chapter, you have seen that main rivers that flow through these towns. Town's name has given, and answer also I have given to you. So, we have completed our second chapter also. Today, the third chapter also you see, children, name some national parks. In this, you have to name national parks in our country. Okay? See, lesson 3. National parks are areas reserved by the government to protect wild animals in their natural surroundings. Using the clue box, find the names of the national parks in our country. So, see, first question is, it is a bird sanctuary in Rajasthan. It is a bird sanctuary in Rajasthan. Answer is Ghana. Second, an English hunter and naturalist established sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh, now part of Uttarakhand, carved out of UP. That is, answer is Corbett. Third, Gir, the famous national park, home of Asiatic lions, is also known as Dash in Gujarat. That is Sasangir in Gujarat. Answer is Sasangir. Fourth one, it is in Madhya Pradesh and used to be the game reserve for the rulers of Gwalior. Answer is Kanha Park. Fifth one, the national park in Assam is famous for one-horned rhinoceros. Means one-horned rhinoceros. That in Assam, that national park is famous. It is the answer is Kaziranga. Sixth one, also known as Kamrup Sanctuary. It is in the foot of the Himalayas towards Meghalaya. Answer is Manas. Seventh one, a forest famous for elephants in Tamil Nadu. Answer is Mudumalai. Eighth one, This is located in Karnataka on the slopes of the Western Ghats. Answer is Bandipur. Seventh, a home for birds in Tamil Nadu. It is also the oldest bird sanctuary in India. Answer is Vedantangal. Ninth answer is Vedantangal. 10th question. This is located on the Ladakh range in Jammu and Kashmir. Answer is Dachigam. Children, today I am giving you this. We are completing these 3 chapters. Answer also I have written. So, thank you for watching the video.